Mini shack.
Look at all these eggs so bright. What's inside? Let's find out right. Red and yellow, blue and green. Open them up and see what's seen. Tap, 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 what's inside? Crack the egg and open it wide. It's a lion. Roar, oh my, what a fun surprise. Oh my, oh my. Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our eyes. Shake it, tap it, open wide. Guess what's hiding deep inside? Tap, 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 a purple shell. What could it be? Can you tell? It's a duck, it goes quack, quack. Yellow and cute, it's got our back. Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our eyes. Shake it, tap it, open wide. Guess what's hiding deep inside? A red egg here and a green one there. Open them up, surprises to share. Shapes and colors, toys that spin. Each egg hides a treat within. 1, 2, 3, so many eggs. Let's keep going, stretch your legs. 4 and 5 and maybe 6. Open them fast for a magic fix. Egg surprise, open with joy and happy eyes. Every egg's a big surprise, fun for kids of every size. What's your favorite egg today? Let's play again another day, yay!
Subscribe.